Find the sum of a geometric series. In this problem, we have a geometric series, and we are going to find the sum of it. First step, identify the first term, number of terms, and common ratio. So the first term in our geometric series is negative 25. The number of terms is given here, so we know that there's going to be 10 numbers total. Then the common ratio, and that is the number you multiply to each number to get to the next. So to get from negative 25 to 125, you multiply negative 5. And to get from 125 to negative 625, you multiply by negative 5. And then so forth. So our common ratio is going to be negative 5, and we're going to use R to represent that. Step 2, substitute the values into the given formula. So the formula to calculate the sum of a geometric series will require all these variables here. So for A, we're going to substitute in negative 25. For R, which is the common ratio, we're going to substitute in negative 5, and the number of terms is going to be n, and we're going to substitute 10 for that. Then we evaluate, and the resulting number is going to be 40,690,100. And this completes our problem.